So now they switched on the 5th. You sent your stuff on the 6th. They all work for the same law firm. But the attorney that you sent it to basically was out of the office or said, well, I received it, but I switched prior to them. If that new attorney that was switched onto the case now does not put someone can see it, and all attorneys individually or working on behalf of a firm as partners, they all have access to it. So when you file it, this is where the importance of certificate of service comes in. You have to file the certificate of service also to show who you sent it to, and that will go into the court docket also. So worst case scenario, they switch attorneys and you're not aware of it, and now you're sending all your correspondence to the prior attorneys. Well, the court docket remains. Working environment. If you are a construction worker, the construction site is your environment. Doesn't matter where it's snowing, on a highway, or it's some back of the street or a back road, that's your working environment. Well, the working environment for a lawyer is not their office, it's the courthouse. Hence, they're known as officers of the court. In other words, even if they, just a little tidbit, these small things are greater when it comes to changing the ebbs and flow of a case. And if you don't know these small things, the acting judge is not there to hold your hands. The acting judge is not there to hold your hand. Unless you know a little bit here and there. Then they will throw you a little bit of help here and there. And even then, even if they throw you some assistance, most people are so emotionally aroused as they read the order that they miss it. Don't be your own worst enemy. Know the intricacies to what they do, how they move, and know the exception regardless of circumstance, whether they do things in good faith or bad faith.
Complete 8-minute videos on the Patreon page. Remember, no one owes you anything. No one owes you time. No one owes you information. If you think what's been put in here as a preview is not sufficient, then do the due diligence to look at the words, read them, use deductive reasoning, and do your own research. Otherwise, the rest is on the Patreon page. Till next time, take care. Best of luck.